Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see social media integration. Basically, I have developed an app using Flutter and Firebase where user can log in using social media forms such as Facebook and Google. And after successful login, we display the details about the user like name, profile photo, and email on the home page. So without wasting much time, let's begin the video. So first of all, we will see our main.dot file. In the main.dot file, we have initialized our Firebase. Basically, we are using the Firebase as backend in this app to store and retrieve user data. And after that, the main function we are having class myapp that extends the stateless widget. And this class is having a build function that returns a widget. And here we are returning a material app, and in this material app we are having a home, and that home contains a scaffold, and the body of that scaffold is having a stream builder that gets the stream of data from the Firebase, and based on that data we redirect the user either to the home page or login page. If the user has signed in previously, then the user will be navigated to the home page, and if the user has signed in previously, then the user has logged out of the app, then the user will be navigated to the login page. Then after that, we are having the routers defined here so that we can navigate from different pages in this app. And I have stored the string values of these routers in a different page. Here in this file, I have stored the string values of these routers. And after this main file, we are having our login page. And in this login page, we are having our login page.dot file. So in this login page, we are having class login page that extends the stateless widget. And here we are using the build function that returns a widget, and here we are returning a scaffold, and this scaffold body contains a container. We have decorated this container using a box decoration, and using the linear gradient I have designed the background of this app so that it gives more user experience to the user. And after that, we are having a column, and this column contains some text widgets. And after that, we are having text fields, text editing fields. I have stored these text editing fields in different files so that our code looks more clean. Here we will see our text editing fields. Here our text editing fields where we get the data from user like email and password. And then we are having our forgot password option. And also besides that, we are having the login button. On tap of that login button, we are executing the login to Firebase function that is defined on top of this page here. And here we are using this is loading bool value so that we can show a circular progress indicator to the user till the user is logged in or a user faces any error. And if the user gets any error, a snack bar is shown to the user that displays the error that has occurred. Buttons, basically these buttons contain the social media login buttons on tap of which we get logged into the Google or Facebook. I have stored these buttons in a different file. Here are these buttons. So here are these buttons. Here is the Google one, and on tap of this Google we get the sign in provider. Basically in the sign in provider class, I have defined the sign in with the Google, and I can show you that file. Here is this file, and on tap of this sign in with Google, we get the Google user to sign in in our app. And after Signing in, we get the user details about the user like name, email, profile image of the Google account of that user, and then store it in our firebase.file store so that we can retrieve it later and display it on home page. And we let the user sign via Facebook here. So this sign in with Facebook function allows the user to sign in with the Facebook, and after signing in with Facebook, we get the user information like name, picture, and the first name, last name, and also the access token, and then store it in our Firebase file store in this format. And if there occurs any exception, we have handled that exception as well here. Beside is this sign in provider and login page, we are having our registration page where a user can register itself using the email and password, and also we are giving the user option to continue with social media icons here. And also here we are using the sign in provider and the sign in with Facebook and sign in with Google, and then the user is redirected to the home page. And here also we navigate the user to the home page after the successful login. So this is basically the whole. Now we will run our app on this simulator. App has started building, and our build process is complete. Now our app will be launched on this simulator and it will be installed. So here we got the installation of this app, and here we got the login screen. Now we will try to log in as email and password, but we don't have an account, so we will create one. So we simply click on this create one, and we got the registration page. And here in this registration page, I will use username as Asif Ali, and email as asif@gmail.com. Then I will fill the password as 123456, and confirm password will be the same. Then I will simply click on this sign up button, and here we got to the home page. We successfully got logged into our app, and here is the username and email, and on press of this logout button we get log out of this app. But we will open Firebase to see the info about the signed in user. So I will simply go here in my browser and type Firebase, and go to my account and click on get started. So I will choose the app that is linked to this project here, social media login. Now I will click on the authentication. So here we got the asipali@gmail.com. So we have got the record of this user. Now here we have signed in as a Facebook account. I will delete this account so that we can log in, or we can resign in using the Facebook. And now we will see the Firebase file store to check the further records about the user. And here is the user document, and we have stored our user data in this. And here we have stored email and name as Asif Ali. So this is all about this app. And on press of this logout, we go get to the login screen, and on press of the Facebook, it redirects us to a browser, and where we can fill the details of our Facebook account and click on login. So I am going here to fill my details. like my email and password of my Facebook account and click login, and it prompts us about the and it will redirect us now to the home page and get the user information about the user Facebook user, like the name, email, and profile picture. So we got logged in using the Facebook. Now we will try Google sign in. Here we got the Google sign in. It will ask us for the account, so I am going to try my email here, and then for gmail.com, and click on Google, and here we got sign it in using Google as well. So I hope you have liked this video, so like, share, and subscribe for further updates. Thank you for watching.